Hey guys, it's Nea here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you a day in a life at school as a Shenzhen student but without classes. So we're gonna start off with this Human Nature Radiance Serum. So this is what I use on a daily basis. Lately kasi, hindi ko na siya nagagamit kasi I use sunscreen instead of serum. Alam niyo ba, team song naman yan? Ito para magbunyag ng team song dito. 7:21. So, ayan yung base ko. Actually, base, blush, mascara, base, blush, mascara, lippy, eyeliner lang ako. So for the blush, I'm gonna use this Nichido Mineral Multi-Stick with Collagen Booster. So this is in the shade Amore on the cheekbones, because that's where I usually put my blush. And I won't use the blender because it typically just transfers to the blender instead of blending it out. If I could fly. So guys, next is eyeliner. Knee deep in the passenger seat and you're written me out as a casual. If it's casual now, it's casual. I fucked you in the bathroom. I just sweep powder onto my face. I'm going to be applying mascara. Kakainis. This is the look. Hindi ko alam kung mag-highlights pa ako. Ikaw guys, wala akong mabuo. Magkakumya tayo ngayon. Ayun po. 7:50 something na kasi. And ayaw mo ko tayo makakarating doon. Pero hopefully 8 AM nandun ako. So, nagpa-practice na sila. Hahanapin ko na lang yung pila namin. Tapos, yun lang. I'll see you guys later pag nasa school lang. Guys, nakasakay na ako. Time check. 7:54. So, 7:59 or 8 o'clock andun na ako. Or, if worse, malilate ako, mga 7 or 8:04 ako makakarating doon. Kasi, it's either 5 or 10 minutes yung biyahe ko. Guys, it's 8 AM and I'm still not at school. But I'm malapit na. But I'm almost there. Why do I look like that? Look at that freaking mustache. I just arrived at school. So, it's 8:03 and I'm still not at the gym. I don't know where they are right now, but
With dignity, lessons said, like a friend. Pasa daw, pasa pa daw. Every way, you will always stay. Say, I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment, let me stay. You're my little inspiration. Don't fear my dreams away.
Hey guys. So, tok sa taas ng gym. At ang init. Actually, nakatapat na sa akin yung aircon ng gym. Tapos may Gojo Dog pa akong dala-dala. Pinairam mo sa akin ng friend ko. Thank you, Tix. For this wonderful gift that you have given to me. So, we're just waiting for the people to go back. Tapos pinapabalik kami ng 11. And we would prefer to be here than to be outside. Kasi sobrang init sa labas. I just wish everyday ganito na naka-aircon lang kami always, all the time. And wala kaming ginagawa, wala kaming klase, wala kaming everything. So, that's it. Yan, gamit ko yung jacket ni Hailey. Thanks, babe. Wala na akong ginagawa, te. Ganito na lang ako palagi. Ganito na lang ako all the time. Hindi na ako natuwa sa sarili ko. So, I calculated my grades and I made a trial and error and I feel like I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna pass! Alma matter. May alma mater daw. Ikaw memorize yan? Alma mater, dear and beloved, fountain of truth and light, united and dedicated to you will ever be. This land that we may go, searching for truth and the unknown. Giving prayers for our hearts and souls. Let us sing these songs, our to thee we pledge our loyal hearts and souls. Kansas City Science High Say hi to my vlog. Hey, that's bad. Guys, tatakas kami from the moving up practice. And we're on our way to the school, to the room. Mag-charge ako kasi I have to go na. Maya-maya. Hi guys! We sneaked out of school! Time check. 2:06 pa lang, lumabas na kami. Ang dismissal namin ay 4 p.m. Wala guys. Wala. Tapos uuwi ako 4:50. Shit! 2 hours na sa train ako. Yak! Ba't kayo magkikita? Tangina nyo naman. Iwag mo sasend sa GC ah. Send ba ako ng GC? Uy, Kiko ah.
Oo, sige yan.
Mag-tricycle siya.
Mag-tricycle ka na ba?
Dapat lang yan eh. Hey guys! So, as you can see, nasa bahay na ako. Nakapagpalit na ako ng clothes. Right now, magtutupi ako ng mga damit. So, time check, it's 4:07. Mga 6:30, alis na rin kami ng bahay kasi meron kaming meeting sa religion namin and kailangan kong umattend kasi meron akong bahagi doon. Anyways guys, yeah, I'll get back to you guys later kapag nagpe-prepare na ako pag nagpa-prepare na ako for the religion meeting mamaya. Bye! Hey guys, pupunta na kami ng meeting.
Opo, kasi ang salita niya ay